Hey, this is a quick video that will describe my opinion of anti-fatigue mats. So for years I used this style anti-fatigue with the holes, but I found that they were okay, but that a lot of junk fell through the holes and it was a nightmare trying to clean it up. So I ended up going with this new style fatigue mat. The information on this mat tells me that it's aerodynamically styled fatigue floors mat designed to provide comfort and relief for aching feet and legs. They say it's excellent for indoor stationary work, which is what I do. In front of my workshop is where I put these, my workbench actually. They say it's an industrial favorite. It has a diamond pattern, provides abrasion, slip-resistant surface, a beveled edge, which is nice. I don't have a problem opening my lower drawers where I have these mats put. It's 9 16 inches thick. And here you can see that extra foam that's on the bottom of it. Kind of a nice feature. So this is my opinion. They feel very similar, the ones with the holes in them versus these. And these aren't inexpensive. I got these at Sam's and they were $55.28 a piece. That didn't even include shipping, so they're not cheap. But I'm hoping that the gel really helps absorb some of the cement. It's hard to stand on cement all day, so I'm hoping these really work well. So far, they're working out great, and I really like that there are no holes, and I love the diamond pattern because it really helps you stay in place. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Really, it helps me out. And I would very much appreciate it if you did subscribe. If you want to see more videos, hit the bell button and you'll be notified. Thanks again for watching.